Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. Don't forget I have a bunch of playlists on the homepage of this channel. Thank you. Tomorrow's Friday. Let's get stuff together. So the two options for my main meal, I think this is ground beef. Yep, ground beef, or it's that pork belly and cabbage that I made. I want that at home for supper because that's not going to last me as long as what I need my lunch to last. So we'll put that back in the refrigerator. So let's go on and make up our eggs. So I was wondering today, you know, I always do my egg, I just leave the eggs whole. Like, I wonder if I cracked it, you know, and made a big mess out of it. I was wondering if I cracked it. Come on. Come on, come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and it won't take long. I'm gonna paint my nails in something, something. Gonna hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need. I don't have gas, I don't have cash, but I got you, baby. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I don't need bills, baby. I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. All right. So I wanted to see, I'm just cracking the eggs. I'm not mixing them up or anything. I've been thinking about this. And I just wanted to know how this would go down. So we got the eggs in here and our cheese. And put that in a Ziploc bag like I've been doing. So instead of putting everything inside the dealie, just put it outside the dealie. Pretty profound, wasn't it? Just put it outside the dealie. I was pretty impressed with how profound that statement was. I think the rest of the world should be as profound as me. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Don't need bills. So somehow I ended up on the UFC. Is that what that? It's the, you know, the Fighters Club where the boxer, I think it's called UFC. Anyway, it's where they get in a ring and then they hit, but it's not boxing. Whatever it is. Anyway, I fell on that TikTok last night. Man, there's some girls that do that. Whoo, Nelly, those are some bad girls. Good golly, Miss Molly. I think my sister Susan missed her calling. She's kind of tough like that. I think if that would have been something around back then, she would have done it. Because she is like, grr, like tough. She was tough as wax, man, when I was a kid. And trust me, being tough as wax when you're 8 years old is the toughest thing you can think of. I didn't know steel was tough. For me, wax was tough. So I always said, that John Wayne, he's tough as wax. So I said, my sister, she was as tough as wax. So what are we going to make tomorrow? Well, I'm going to dirty up another dish, I think. So I don't know if this will fit. Well, it might fit. Let's see. Before I do it, let's try it. Because I got the rest of these noodles. And we're just going to plop them in here. Yeah, this might work. All right. And so I got those noodles in there. Because we want something. Because I want to use this pineapple ginger G. Hughes stuff. But I also, let's see, oh, that's my salad. Also want to add a little bit of onion to it. Just a wee bit of white onion. Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night. It won't take long. Gonna fix my hair, get my nails done too. Something, something. How about you? Gonna hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. All right. First off, I got to get it open, so hold on. So anyway, in the UFC and those people fighting, all the videos on TikTok, they use that song. So, well, on TikTok, if you get in one loop, it's like you stay in that loop. So So we're going to try this General Tso. Let's see what we think. Oh yeah. We're going to mix them. We're doing a mixing tonight, baby. We're going to mix it up. We don't need no dollar bills. We just need GUs. All right, this is the pineapple one. Gina, you're genius. I don't care what nobody says about you, Gina. You tell them I said to go suck an egg because you are a genius. Now, let's get to our food. Alright, so now we're going to zero it out. And serving of this is 1 tablespoon. Serving of this is 15 grams. So I'm going to try to do 15 grams of each one. Oh yeah, that's just the right thickness too. I got a little more than 15 grams, but that's all right. That's all right. Good old G-Hoo's got my back because it's only 5 calories for 15 grams. So if I get a little more than that, it's not a whole lot. By the way, this has definite kick. Woo! And I love it. Seasonings, Terry. Seasonings. Well, got my most important one. I pulled this off the shelf whenever I put that dealie up there. Most important one for my Asian stuff. And let's put in a little bit of ground ginger. And how about a little bit of, this is that Moroccan season I made up. And it's going to need just some plain salt because remember, those are straight seasonings with no salt in them. Anyway, so yeah, it's funny on TikTok, whenever you stay very long on any video, all of a sudden you get 50-11 of that one specific video. And yeah, so so I fell down the UFC. Anyway, I fell into that rabbit hole. And I enjoy it. It's fascinating. Them girls, man, they are tough. Nope, that's not. Them girls are tough. I would not want to meet any of them in a dark alley. No sirree, Bob. But they crack me up because when it first starts, they have them stand in front of each other like face to face, and they kind of do a little stare down. That always cracks me up because, usually there's one that's kind of squirrely and dancing around. And then the other one will be kind of serious and mad looking. And it just cracks me up because, then they go in the ring and you honestly never know. Sometimes I'm like, all right, squirrely one is going to win. And nope. All right, this time the serious one's going to win. Nope. So you just literally never know who is going to win. Where's that tomato go? Oh, it's right there. Shush, Sari. Anyway, so you truly never know who's going to win, which is pretty cool because, like I said, I'm not somebody who would bet I don't bet or anything, but in my head, and it's like a 2-minute video, so, it's not like, and I don't know who any of the, I was about to say players, whatever they're called, the, participants, I don't know any of them because I don't ever watch like the real UFC, but it's just kind of fun seeing them on TikTok and then just watching them. Man, them girls, the men too, usually one of the men will be a little more squirrely than the other one. Although then you see the main guy who runs it, you see him trying to separate them because they're trying to smack each other before the thing starts. All right, I'm going to cut these tomatoes up real quick. So let's get our tomatoes on here. I'm not using bread and butter pickles because we're kind of going for a, going with that Asian flavor theme. So to go along with that, no, don't put that in there, Terry. Well, you're going to just have to sit over there and behave. Where'd it go? Okay, I'm not going to put the General Tso on there, but I am going to put some of this pineapple ginger marinade. I'm going to put a little of this on here, along with my, okay, so a little of that. Then we're going to add some of my Walden Farms Thousand Island. Remember when I said sometimes you go to a Japanese restaurant And Siri, I ain't talking to you. And they give you that ginger dressing. And to me, it's like it has Thousand Island mixed with it. So there we go. That's what we're having. Okay, so let's get here. Where's the lid? So, now. Hang on one more second. Okay, so I got my salad for lunch. I got my, you know those spaghetti noodles? I'm kind of pretending like I'm making like a pad thai type something or another. You know, whenever you go to the Asian restaurant, they have the noodles. So we're going to use them like that. And then we got our breakfast right here. And we got our apple. And we just need our spoon and our fork. I ain't going to take a fork. I didn't use my fork today, so I ain't going to take one. So there we go. Oh, and we got our coffee. Coffee. Let's get this added. Hey, Elizabeth. I know you see what's behind my coffee cup right there. That was a recommendation by Elizabeth to pick up that pasta sauce. I picked that up tonight, so we'll see what we think. I got the one that was roasted garlic. Alright, so now I got my coffee ready and my breakfast and lunch ready. I'll see you in the morning. I lied. I got one more question. Which would you rather do? Load the dishwasher or unload the dishwasher? I hate to load the dishwasher, but you know, I don't mind unloading it. I don't know. I'm kind of weird like that. But I would rather have a sink full of dishes than load the dishwasher. But yet at the same token, I don't mind unloading the dishwasher, and then I'll leave the dirty dirty dishes in the sink while my dishwasher is empty. Yeah, I'm just like that. Which is your favorite? Do you like to load or unload the dishwasher? I mean, I know we don't want to do any of it, but which is your favorite if you had to choose? Y'all, it's Friday. I got to work too early. I do that quite often. But look at the moon. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I think this is still left over from that blue moon they've been talking about. But isn't that pretty? It's still out there at 7 o'clock this morning. So, okay, just had to show you. But yeah, I'm at work way too early. But here I am, and that's what it is. So here's what I figured out. When I drop my camera or my phone, because I got y'all setting up on my cup, and when it falls off, it moves whether it's angled this way or this way or this way, and that's when my voice gets off. So I'm going to really try to not push record until I have you set straight. Anyway, in case it does it again, that's why it does it. You know, I dropped my phone and I forgot to stop recording and push start again. So breakfast this morning is our eggs. I forgot to bring the avocado, but it'd be all right. Regardless of how much or how little I eat, I'm always hungry by 10:30. So, yeah. So my stomach always starts, and maybe it's not hunger, maybe it's just like digestion. I don't know, whatever it is, it's always doing something around 10:30. Okay, bye. It's lunchtime. I got you down there so my phone don't fall over. We have this that I made. So let's try it. Let's taste it. That's good. And then our salad that we made. See what we think. Okay. Hey there. So supper is pretty simple. All I had to do was use the microwave. This is it was the cabbage and pork belly that I made up. When did I make that? Sometime, I think over the weekend, maybe Sunday evening. Yup. It's just as good warmed up as it was when I cooked it the first time. Mmm. It has apples in it too. So pork belly, cabbage, and apples. Along with it, I'm having some of Debbie's bread and butter veggies. And some frozen fruit. And that's my supper. I'll see you all. Today's Friday. So this is Sunday. So if I was able to get them frog legs done, you'll be seeing those today too. Okay, bye.